Before buying After Services, it's crucial to understand the key features that make it stand out and how it compares to the competition. If you're wondering whether it's the right choice for your business, stay tuned as I break down 7 essential things you need to know about this service. First off, After Services offers a seamless experience for businesses looking to manage post-sale customer support. Unlike competitors who often overcomplicate things with too many features, After Services keeps it simple, efficient, and customer-focused. Whether you're handling customer service, returns, or ongoing communication, the platform keeps everything under one roof. It's intuitive, fast, and designed to save you time. Next thing to consider is the user interface. After Services boasts an incredibly clean and easy to navigate design, making it a dream for both customer service reps and business owners. While other platforms can feel cluttered or require extensive training, this software eliminates that barrier. You can get started quickly and manage everything with minimal learning curve, something that can't always be said for the competition. The third thing to note is its integration capabilities. After Services integrates seamlessly with most of the popular CRM, e-commerce, and help desk tools, meaning you won't have to overhaul your existing systems to get started. This is a major advantage over some competitors, which often limit integration options or require custom development, leading to longer setup times and added costs. Now, the fourth thing to keep in mind is the level of customer support provided. After Services shines in this department, offering 24/7 support via live chat, email, and even phone support if needed. This level of responsiveness isn't always available from competitors, who might offer limited hours or charge extra for priority support. The fifth thing you should know is its scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, After Services has the flexibility to grow with you. Competitors sometimes offer tiered plans that leave you with fewer features as you grow, but with After Services, everything scales seamlessly, ensuring you always have access to the tools you need to keep your customer experience top-notch. The sixth point is the price-to-value ratio. Many companies claim to be cost-effective, but hidden fees or feature limitations can make them less appealing in the long run. After Services offers transparent pricing with no hidden fees and a straightforward subscription model. Plus, it has a free trial available, so you can test it out and make sure it's right for you without any commitment. And finally, the seventh thing you need to know, the analytics and reporting features. After Services provides detailed insights into customer interactions, return rates, and service quality. This is a huge advantage over some of its competitors, who offer basic reporting at best. With After Services, you can truly understand your customer journey and make data-driven decisions to improve your service and grow your business. So, if you're on the fence about whether After Services is the right choice, remember that it offers a unique combination of simplicity, scalability, and powerful customer support. If you want to try it out for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description. You'll get access to an exclusive free trial, giving you a chance to experience everything this platform has to offer with some extra perks. Don't miss out.